good, Arjun. Wonderful, Arjun. Okay, next who is going to say? It's going to be Dayanand. Come on, Dayanand.
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Yeah, Dayanand. Sorry. Yes, Lakshraj. Namaste, Lakshraj. Ah. Ah, say am, right. Mm. This one. Mm. Mm. Aha, very good. Well done, Dayanand. Okay, next it's going to be. Who is going to be that? Who else joined now? Nivin is there? Nivin? Lakshaj, you want to say? Come on, Lakshaj. Mm. Who? Ullu, ah. Someone is helping you.
I say I know.
Okali. How say? Ang say? Ang say angur. Aha. Okay, very good. We'll start our session, children. Namaste. Is all of you unmute and say namaste. Namaste, Guruji. You have to say.
Guruji. Namaste, Guruji.
Yes, namaste.
Namaste,
Say namaste. Namaste. Okay.
Namaste,
Namaste, everyone. Yes, okay. Today, who is going to sing both the rhymes? Machli rhymes and then Dobi Aya rhyme. Who is going to sing?
Gritvik, ma'am.
Okay, Grithvi, come on. Both the rhymes.
जल की रानी है जीवन उसका पानी है हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी बाहर निकाल तो मर जाएगी.
Okay, very good. Next. Dobi Aya. Dobi Aya. Who is going to sing Dobi Aya?
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. Come on, Sai Charan.
दशराज में कितने कपड़े लाया एक दो तीन दो भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया चार पाँच छः दो भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया सात आठ नौ दो भी आया कितने कपड़े लाया दस बस.
Very good. Okay. Now, parts of the body. Yes, all of you should do the action. Okay. Aankh. Aankhein. Aankhein. Gritvik. Aankhein. Okay. And then sir. Sir. Very good, Arjun. Sir. Roshan, sir. Okay. And then Unguliya. Unguliya. Where is Unguliya? Sai Charan. Unguliya. Yes, okay. Now Nak. Nak. Where is your Nak? Nak कहाँ है? Nak. Okay. Dant. Where is your Dant? Dant. E. Dant. Satvik, come on, do it. Dant. E. Okay. And then Khan. Khan pakdo. Khan pakdo. Khan. Very good. Khan. Roshan Khan. Okay. And then Heart. Heart. Where is your heart? Heart. Yes? Very good. Children. Clap. Yeah, very good. Clap your hands. Very good. Well done. Okay, now next is... Yeah, very good, Izan. Okay, next is our fruits. Okay, one by one you have to tell me. Okay, what fruit is this?
Papaya, papita.
Papita, papaya. Very good. And then what fruit is this?
Santra, orange.
Santra?
Orange.
Orange. Very good, very good. Then what is this? What is this? Karbuja. It's not karbuja. See inside. Pomegranate, right? Anar. Pomegranate. Very good, Lakshya. Anar. Pomegranate. Okay. This one.
Angur, grapes.
Angur. Grapes. Very good. Well done. Angur. Grapes. Okay. This one. Mango. Very good, children. Well done, children. Okay. Next, this one. Yes. Save. Apple. Very good. Okay. This one.
Kela, banana.
Wow, good, good, good. Kela, banana. Very good, Roshan. Okay, this one. Sorry.
Tarbooj, watermelon. Tarbooj, watermelon.
Tarbooj, watermelon. Very good. Okay, wait. This one.
Yes, Daddy. Ananas,
Ananas. Pineapple. Ananas. Pineapple. Very good. Okay, a loud applause for everyone. Come on, clap your hands louder. Clap your hands loudly. Come on. Very good, children. You all found out very well. Okay, and today we are going to have a recap of Vyanjan. Okay, first, what is this? What is this? This one? Oh, this one? Kha. How will you pronounce kha? Kha, not blank. You should not say it blankly like kha. Kha, okay? And then this one? Ga. This one?
Ga.
Stress and pronounce gha. Okay, and this is ang. Okay? Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Okay? Ka, kha, ga, gha, ang. Okay, now what is related to ka? Can anyone tell me? Ka, say?
Kabutar.
Say kabutar. Then any three you have to say. Ka, say kabutar. Ka say kamal, very good. Ka say kabutar, very good. Then ka say kachua. Very good, Diti. Ka say kachua. Okay, I'll show you the picture. Ka say kamal. Ka say kabutar. Ka say kameez. Ka say kathal. And ka say kachua. Yes? Ka say kachua. Okay, now next letter is kha. Second kha. This one. What is related to this? What are the pictures we saw? Come on. Gritvik should not answer. Lakshat should not answer. Others should answer. Kha say. Kha say Ghosh. Very good. Gritvik will not answer. Gritvik will not answer. Gritvik and Lakshraj will not answer. Others should answer, okay? Kha se khargosh. Very good, Izan. Then kha se kharbuja. Very good. Then what we saw? Huh? Okay. Khatmal. Okay, see here. Kha. Okay, okay, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Okay, kha. Kha se khargosh. Kha se khatmal. Kha se kharbuja. Okay. Kha se khargosh. Kha se khatmal. Kha se kharbuja. If you have the book also, you can take it. Page number is 17. If you have the book also, you take it for your reference, okay? All of you took your books, page number 17. Okay, now point out Kharbuja. Lift your book and show me where is Kharbuja. Where is Kharbuja? Very good, Ritvik, good. Arjun, where Arjun? Kharbuja, page number 17. 1717. Kharbuja, where is Kharbuja? Kha se Kharbuja. Very good, Shravan. Very good, Laksh. Roshan, it's not an issue, Roshan. No problem. You just see. Kharbuja. Where is Kharbuja? Arjun, searching, ah. Okay, here you show me where is Kharbuja. Ah, here itself you show. Where is Kharbuja here? Where is Kharbuja here? Isn't? Roshan, correct, ah?
No, ma'am.
Hey, you don't answer. Chupro. Okay, tell me where is Kharbuja here? Where is Kharbuja here? No, Roshan. Why? Why no, Roshan? Classic Kharbuja is not here. Why? Tell me the answer. Why? What is wrong here? Tell me. This is ka only, no? I also said ka only. High five, Roshan. Smart you are. High five. Okay, very good, Roshan. This is ka. Well done, Roshan. You found out. Ka say Kharbuja. Now point out Kharbuja. Namaste, Ryan. Why so late, Ryan? Okay, Ryan, come on, find out where is Kharbuja here. Ryan, if you have the book, show me where is Kharbuja. Take your book, page number 17. Reading book, not the writing book, okay? Where is Kharbuja? Roshan should show me where is Kharbuja. Roshan. Satvik, where is Kharbuja? Where? This one, ah? This is Kharbuja. Yes, sir?
No.
No. This one? This is Kharbuja.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Very good. Very good, Ryan. Very good boy. Very good. Okay, now show me where is Khatmal. Where is Khatmal? Show me where is Khatmal, all of you. What is Khatmal? Show me this one, huh? This is Khatmal.
Yes, this one. This
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir. Who said yes? This one, huh? Khatmal. Hey, I think this one only Khatmal. Yes or no? No, ma'am is wrong. Okay, this one? This one? Yes, this is Khatmal, right? Very good. And then where is Khargosh? Khargosh. Khargosh. Where is Khargosh here? This one, huh? No, where is Khargosh? Help me out. No, where is Khargosh? Where is Khargosh, Ryan? This one. Yes, this is Khargosh. Yes. Have you seen how Khargosh will jump? Have you seen how Khargosh jumps? You know already? Yes. Now all of you stand up. I want you to count from 8 to 10 and jump like Khargosh. Okay, will you all do that? Come on, let me see. Have to count in Hindi, no counting in English. Understood? Count only in Hindi, okay? Come on, keep your hands like this. Khargosh has a big ears, right? And then you have to jump. Are you all ready? Come on, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Now, thus, yes, Roshan and Grithvik, unmute yourself and show me how you are jumping. Unmute and show me. I want to see how you are jumping. Hey, wow, Izan. Bunny, Very good, Izan. Good boy. Very good. Okay, now sit in your places. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down. Good children. Okay, next letter, K finished, and then K also finished. Next, we are moving to G. Yes, Izan's mom, you can contact with the center head and you can get the books.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what? Okay, ma'am. You understood what I said? What I said? Naughty boy. Okay. Okay, Izan's mom, you heard me?
Yeah, we heard it, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, thank you. Okay, next is G. Yes, G say. What is this, children? G say.
Gada.
Who said the right answer? Gada. Very good, Roshan. G say Gada. And then G say this one. G say.
Gamla.
Which is Gamla here? This one or this one?
Gamla.
Which is Gamla? This one or this one?
That one.
Which one, ma'am? Pot. Very good, Roshan. G say Gamla, flower pot. And then G say Gaj. G say Gaj. Okay. G say Gaj. Okay. Next is Gha. This Gha. How will you pronounce this Gha? Have to stress and pronounce. Okay. Gha. Okay. Next is Gha. Say what is it? What is it? Anyone? Gha say Ghar. Very good, Roshan. Gha say Ghar. Okay. Next Gha say. Gha say. What is it? Gadi. Very good, Sai. Gha say Gadi. And then Gha say gun. Very good, Roshan. Gha say gun. Very good. And then Gha say. Gha say Gada. Gha say Gada. Okay. Gha say Ghar. Gha say Ghadi. Gha say Ghan. And Gha say Gada. Okay. Now I want you to take your notebook and write Kha Kha Ga Ga Ang. This one. The whole line you have to write first in your notebook 5 times. Okay, come on. Only 5 times you are going to write in a single line. So 5 lines it will take. Like how ma'am has written in a single line, like that you are going to write. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Have to spell and write, children. That's very important. Spell and write. Is Arjun ready? Satvik ready? Ryan? Ryan?
Not translate, ma'am.
Hindi note, ma. Take your Hindi notebook and write. Take your Hindi notebook and write. Write today's date and write.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Today's date is 10/11/2020. Sai children, start writing. Take your Hindi notebook and write. Izan, take your notebook and write, Izan.
This book, ma'am.
Yes, ma? Not in that, ma. Notebook. You have 4-line notebook for Hindi, right?
Not.
Yeah, for Hindi we were using one notebook, right?
Okay, ma'am.
That book only.
This.
That's notebook. Okay, use it. Come on, write.
Hindi notebook.
Come on, Ryan, write. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ng, like this. Want me to show Ryan? Ryan. You know how to write, ma? Ryan's grandma, you can write one time and give it to him. Let him look at it and write.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah. Parents, you can write one time and give it to them. Let them look at it and write for 5 times. In notebook also we have finished till that second gha, right? Only ang is pending. So that also we'll finish it today. Izan, right? What happened, Izan?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing, ma'am. Where is your bhaiya? Today he didn't come, ma. Ah, that's it. Okay.
लिखा वो क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं हुआ, लिखो
लिखो लिखो पहले
लिखो
आप।
लिखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun. Dayanand. Write, ma, Dayanand, this one. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. 5 times you have to write in your notebook. Hindi notebook you have, no? In that you have to write.
I finished it, ma'am.
5 times you have written, huh? Only
5
one time
times
you have
enter.
written.
5 times enter.
5 बार लिखना चाहिए, ठीक है? 5 बार. 5 means how
Okay,
much?
ma'am.
What is 5? What is 5? Ritvik,
Here.
what is 5? 5 means 5. Okay, 5 times you have to write. One write, everyone write. Very good. Yeah, good. I can see everyone writing. Yes, ma, Dayanand. Any notebook, if you have Hindi notebook, take and write, or else whatever notebook you have, you take and write. Okay? Yes, Dayanand. Lecture's finished. Finish कर लिया?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, right. Slowly, Rico.
Ma'am, Ryan finished, ma'am.
2 times.
Chapter
5 times he has to write. 5 times. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write 5 times. What, ma, Ryan? Tell me, Ryan. Ryan, what is your issue? You tell to ma'am. Come on. What happened, Ryan? Unmute and tell me, Ryan.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is your problem? Come on, tell me. 5 times you have to write. 1 time you have written. Still there is 4 times left, no? You have to write even for 4 times. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write today's date. Write today's date. Hmm. finish. See to it, children, whether you are writing kha correctly, because that is only difficult, I think. Other letters are easy only. Kha. Very good, Shravan. Good mark. Well
Ma'am,
done.
it's not difficult for me,
Oh
ma'am.
my God. Very good, Ryan. You're a smart boy. Good.
I finished, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Shravan. I saw. Izan still writing? Spell and write, children. Nobody is spelling out. Spell and write, come on.
Ma'am, I write it on my Hindi writing notebook, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Sai Charan. Finished, huh? Hindi book itself you wrote. That we already wrote, I know. Not in that notebook. I told you to write separately in your Hindi notebook, not this notebook. I didn't tell anyone to write in this notebook. I told you to write separately in your Hindi 4-line notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
You didn't listen? Once you finish, I want you to take your textbook, Hindi textbook you have. Yes, those who have finished, take your Hindi textbook, okay? In that, page number 55. You have this page. Those who finish, take page number 55. This page. Yeah, very good, Dayanand. Take your textbook, Dayanand. Very good, Dayanand. Take your textbook, page number 55. Page number 55.
Yeah. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, we have like this in done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Izan. Well done.
Ma'am, we have like this in page number 55.
Not that book, textbook. I said textbook. That is writing book. Textbook. This is your textbook. This is textbook and this is your writing book, notebook. Okay, so not this candy book. This is candy notebook, not this notebook. This is your textbook, reader. Yes, Grithvik, where is your textbook, Grithvik? Tuka? Yeah, now I'm going to tell you one picture. You have to count it in Hindi. Okay, you have ducks here, right? Duck, duck. How many ducks are here? Count it in Hindi. Count it in Hindi. एक,
एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ.
Now, who's that? Nizana. How many are there? Come on, count it in your book, ma. I just showed you the picture. You have ducks here. That ducks you have to point out with your pointer finger and then you have to count.
He
Come on,
doesn't
count
have
in your
textbook,
book.
ma'am.
Grithvik don't have textbook.
No, Izan is
Not
not having.
Izan. I asked Grithvik.
Okay.
Shot.
Yeah, very good, ma, Lakshraj. Where is your textbook, ma, Grithvik? Very good, Lakshraj. Where is your textbook? Take page number 55. Where is that page? There you have ducks, no? That you count with your pointer finger one by one. In Hindi, you have to count. Come on, count. Keep the book down and count. I just want you to see how you are counting.
I count it, ma'am.
How many are there?
Short.
Saat. Saat is there. Shall we check whether it is Saat? See here. See here. Look here, Kritvik. Kritvik, ikkada chudu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many ducks are here? 8. 8 means how many?
8.
8 means how many? 8. Okay? Okay, next who is going to count? This is going to be Lakshraj. Lakshraj.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
how many cats are here? Billy. Can see Billy. Yes?
1,
Come on, count karo.
8.
No, 1, 2, 3, 8. 10 is done. See properly and count is done.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, ma'am. Finish 5 times, ma'am. No.
Only now, till now only is there. Okay, now 9. Okay, now means it is 9. Okay, very good. Okay, next who is going to count? It's going to be Satvik. Come on, Satvik, you can see birds here. Yes or no? How many birds are here? Count in Hindi.
1,
Sorry, not in one. Hindi में count करो. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
how many are there?
Ma'am.
5 birds. Very good, Satvik. 5 means it's 5. Okay. Next, Ryan is going to count. Ryan, ready? Top. You can see the top here, Ryan. Ryan, count the number of tops here. 8. Top, ma. You have the tops here. This one. Top. That you have to count in Hindi.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Saat means? Saat means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No?
7.
How many? 7. Okay. Next, it's going to be Satvik. Satvik finished?
Yes.
Satvik finished. Okay. Who is going to count? It's going to be Roshan. Roshan, can you see the lions here? Sher, lion. Yes? How many are here? Count in Hindi. 1, 2, 3. 3 means how many? 3. Very good, Roshan. Okay, next it's going to be Shravan. Shravan.
Yes.
Shravan is here. Come on, Shravan. Say yes, ma'am, Shravan. Shravan, count the number of flowers, Shravan. 8.
1,
3,
3, 4, 8.
6. 10 means how many? 10. Very good, Shravan. Okay, next is Arjun. Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, count Arjun. How many ice cream is here? 8. 2. 2 means how many?
2.
2. Very good, Arjun. Okay, whom I left out? Anyone? Anyone is there? Okay. And this one, it's the drum. How many is here, children? How many drum is here?
8.
Only one is here. Okay. Everything we have finished. And then this one, deer. Sai Charan, count the number of deer.
1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6 is here. Okay. So 6 means how many? Che means six. Six means this many fingers. Okay. So very good, children. All of you clap hands for yourself. Come on. Clap hands for yourself. You all counted very well. Thank you so much. Thanks for your cooperation. Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Yeah, Shukriya.
Shukriya, ma'am.
Yeah, Shukriya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Shukriya, Ryan.